Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about the playlist feature in EZ360. But before I show you how to create a playlist, I want to show you what a playlist looks like inside the VR player and how you can use it. So a playlist in EZ360 is a set of videos or a single video, and you can use a particular playlist to control what videos your users are watching. So for example, you could have a video or more videos for day one of your event and other videos for the second day of your event. Or you can distinguish between training videos and sales videos. The playlist feature allows you to predetermine what content is visible to your users. So now let's head over to our PC and I'll tell you how to set up the playlists. Now make sure you're logged into your account. Then on the left side, go to Content and Playlist and scroll down and click on Create Playlist. Give your playlist a title and add content to this specific playlist. So you can add one or more videos, click Add. And as you can see, you can create a custom background for this specific playlist and also a custom logo. Once you're done, hit Save Playlist. And as you can see, you can now have more playlists. So that's how you create playlists in EZ360. If you haven't already, sign up for an account at EZ360.com. We have a free plan available, but also more advanced plans for businesses and projects of all scales. You can find more information on EZ360.com. Thank you for watching.